Hi guys, it's Violetta and welcome to my channel. Today I just decided to share with you my morning skin routine. I haven't posted my skin routine for like a year probably. Some things have changed, some of them are kind of still the same, but I definitely see improvement in my skin. Like my scars faded. Right now I'm makeup free. I haven't done my morning skin routine yet, so like that's my bare face. And before I had like very clean skin without any breakouts and like any scarring. I did develop some during the pregnancy, so I decided to kind of implement some things for scarring to help to heal them and like to discolor them even more. I always start with obviously cleansing my skin, and I've done it in the shower, so I'm not going to do it again, but I'll show you what I use. So this is my cleanser by Fresh. I love this brand. I have been using it for I think half a year. I started using it during the pregnancy. It's very gentle. It's very good for like all for face and eye makeup as well. Cleanser, and it's also makeup remover for like light makeup. I don't wear heavy makeup, so for me it works. And I use Luna Ferrero Luna 3, whatever the name is. I either use it once at night on a heavier, more intense scale, or use it twice a day on like very light scale, depending like if I wear any makeup or if I don't wear. I love it. It's such a splurge, I think that's the word, right? Yeah. I think it's like $300, but I got it for my birthday and I love it. Such a big improvement in my skin. I haven't had any breakouts since I started using it, which is amazing. So I'm not gonna be developing new scarring. Yeah, so I've done that in the shower, so that step is done. Then I put this serum. It's hard to call it serum because it's only 2 ingredients, but it helps with breakouts. So a generous amount of this, and then tap it. Obviously avoid eye area. Done. Then eye cream. It's still the same as I've been using since the last video by all the Hendrix banana eye cream. I love it. It's very good. I like the smell. I like the texture. It's very light, but at the same time it hydrates the eye area. So a bit over here. I'm always so confused if I should put it only here or if I should put it over there as well. People are saying just put it over here, don't even put it like on eye area, because when you during the day when you move it's gonna go there anyway. But I put concealer over there, so it doesn't make sense to me not to put cream but to put concealer over there. So I do put everywhere a little bit. Okay, boom, done. Always lip balm while I'm gonna be doing makeup and skin routine. Like, it hydrates my lips, and this is my favorite. I've tested so many lip balms. This is a local brand. It's by Toronto People Company. It's an amazing. It's only organic ingredients, and it's like it really hydrates my lips. I'm one of those people who have like very dry lips. Even though I drink so much water, like this area always dries. I don't know if you know why. Tell me. My father thinks it's because I drink coffee, but it's been like this my whole life, and I've been drinking coffee only for like 6 years, so I don't think it's that. If you think you know something, send it my way. And then I put moisturizer cream. This one is actually water cream by Toucher. It's a new addition. I've been using it for maybe a month, and so far I actually like it. It's not heavy. I don't like heavy day creams, and then I feel it the whole day. Ugh, I don't like it. So I prefer water-based for daytime, and then something heavier, maybe even oils during the night. Okay, so the rest is in my... You know what? I'm also done with my skincare. The last step that I usually do twice a day, and in the morning I do it very light, and at night I actually do it like pretty intense. Gouache the stone, and I just drain a little. So I usually start from the neck, obviously, and I just like very, very, very gentle moves. I do the heavier one at night, but I do like a light one. It's more like to drain liquids from my face. It builds up over the night, so I look more fresh. As a new parent, I don't sleep a lot. Okay, just like a little bit. Even what you just saw, that's better than nothing. And then I just like do this kind of thing over my face. Okay, yeah, basically ready. And do you want to see my makeup? One step makeup. You take concealer, you apply it a little bit over here. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, you see, like I put concealer over there, so it doesn't make sense not to put eye cream over there. I just don't want to be a concealer the first layers in my skin. And I'm done. Honestly, my skincare is very, very light because I focus on eating healthy, drinking lots of water, and exercise to help my body to make the best skin possible. I'm done and ready for the day. So that's it. Thanks for watching.